Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Let's check in on Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, again, hitting the first level, do pullback, double pullback. This actually pulled back into the rotations on the 1 hour. Nice recovery there, and then now gone up to our next level, this 1674. And hanging out right there just above that. So that level is done. We can now take this and move it all the way up. I've already drawn in the next set of levels and updated the GAN levels. So next area is 1791, then cluster 1852 to 1872, then 2013 for Bitcoin Cash. So on a pullback now, first major level of support, 1589, and then next level of support coming in about 1540. And if we were to break through there, 1448, rising 50, and the 25% pullback. Let's check in on the daily for Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash right above that 1448 level, about 1476. We have the rising 8, so that's a really strong level if we pull back. We're just breaking out of this, so I'm actually watching more so on those minor pullbacks to the 4-hour rotation zone. But this thing has to get some pretty good strength in there, or we're going to develop another divergence setup, which then I'll be watching for the bigger pullback. Switching over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin finding some resistance at the prior highs, which I can now update our GAN levels. Poking up through, stopping dead at our 98.90 level, moving sideways. It's actually caught in the rotation zone on the 1 hour, just missing our next key level that we were talking about, the 10,000. It's got the 99.90, pulling back now. First area of support is going to come in right around the 97.70. Next area of support, 96.28, and that's off the daily chart. What we can do now, let's take these the other way from the move that started it, and let's update all our major levels, even these up to the highs, and see what major levels they give us. And I got to swing this over to the move that started it. So let's switch over to the daily and check out what we're looking at. All right, finding resistance also, we have the 200 right here, simple off the daily. So major pullback level on the daily with the rising 8 coming in. We're looking at about 95.44 to 9600 key support. And if we did break below that, I'd be watching for 9100 on the daily. Pushing up higher. We still are focused on that 10,000. Updated the next levels anyways. 10,136, 10,283, 10,394, and then 10,800 are the next key levels. If you come over here, you see we're going into a clear path move. There's not any major support or resistance stopping points. So if this can get some momentum, then those will be the levels. Now, we are developing. We have eked out a higher high, but look at this. RSI is falling again. So this might be a case where we're going to come back and do that bigger pullback into the daily rotation zone. So if we do not hold around the 95.44 level, 94.68 to 95.44, I'll be watching the bottom of the rotation zone here to see if we get a rotation back up. So we have for you on Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.